Do you like pizza?
Yeah.
What is your favorite cloud?
Either a cumulus or nimbus. Thane, what is your favorite type of cheese?
Melted cheese, I'd say.
What is your favorite type of animal?
Wombat.
Okay, Thane, ready for your question?
Yeah.
What would you want to name the new boat?
Let's see here. I think we should name it Fish Hawk. Martha, what is your favorite type of cloud?
My favorite type of cloud is a happy cloud because I don't like sad clouds because they always rain, or I don't like bumpy clouds because
What is your favorite fast food place?
Sandy.
Do you like bouncy paper towels?
Bouncy paper towels. What even are them?
Jason Carls, what would you name our new boat?
I'm not sure what we'll name it, but in my mind, I was thinking Woo Woo 2. What would you want to name the new boat?
I want to name it Hey Partner. Hey, what is 5 times 5?
5 times 5 is 25. Pops gave you that hat, Jason Carls. Would you say it's a comfortable hat?
Very comfortable and warm. I'm really glad I have it.
Nice! Martha Carls, what is your favorite type of ice cream?
My favorite type of ice cream is Livid.
Yeah.
What's your favorite ice cream?
Let's see here. Probably a Vito.
Thane, Pops gave us that hat. What do you think about it?
It's kind of like really furry and like big. Even though my head's pretty big, it's still pretty big. What would Mom cook tonight?
She might cook butter noodles, peanut butter, and maybe a little bit of jelly.
Teenagers, they eat burgers. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Teenagers, they eat burgers. Da, da, da. Cool, da, 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 da. Like a chainsaw. Da, 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 da. This is what I call a Martha song. I was a girl.
Thane, if Mom was here tonight, what would she cook for dinner?
Famous dish with beans, cheese, and chips and guacamole.
Yeah, boo 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 boo. Yeah, boo 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 bee. Yeah, boo 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 bee. Yeah, boo 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 bee. Yeah, boo 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 bee.
Teenagers, they eat burgers. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Teenagers, they eat burgers. With the dark fries and the Sprite. You can have dark fries and